Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here with a harvest video. So this is my first fall harvest, you guys. I hope everyone is doing well today. And this is my radish bed, and I think I did breakfast radishes this time. There is a large variety of radishes you can plant. Radish is one of the easiest crops you can grow. It's prolific and it is quick. So let me get to harvesting these radishes. So if you guys are growing different types of radishes, make sure you guys leave me a comment below and let me know which radishes you are growing, so maybe I can try them. Okay, so I'm going to take these in, clean them off, and freeze them. Y'all know the leaves are edible as well. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the leaves off and I'm going to give it to my chickens. Because y'all know Essie likes to spoil her chickens. So they'll get a nice treat. And these came out really, really nice. And what I'm going to do is probably throw some more amendments in this soil. And I may put some transplants in here. I'm not sure. Or I may sow some more radish seeds. I'm gonna ponder that. Well, these are nice size there. So make sure you guys leave me a comment and let me know what was your first fall harvest. It's a nice size one here. So not bad, you guys, not bad. Not bad, you guys. So when you start seeing your radish bulge out of the soil, it is time, pretty much time to get them out. Nice. Okay. So there's a few in there that are still small, and I'm gonna leave those in there, but for the most part, all of these is ready. All right, you guys. So that is my radish harvest, and now I have to go harvest my peppers, and I will see you guys in the raised bed area. All right, you guys, we are over here at the planter box where all my peppers are, most of them anyway. So we're just gonna pop them off. Some of these are bananas, peconis, Tabasco, but the Tabasco ones that are here, the little ones, I'm gonna let those stay for a little while longer. And I'm probably gonna soak these with some garlic and some vinegar. Mostly the hot peppers did really good. I have to do a little bit better on growing my bell peppers, the browns, the oranges, the purple, the reds, the yellows, and the greens. These are nice size. These came out really nice. More. Yeah, y'all comment below and let me know what peppers you guys was growing this season. So I'm gonna give this probably some 511 so I could get another round of these peppers. You guys, I think I got most of them from over here. Now I have to go down to the other pepper lane and get the rest of them on the other side of the raised bed area. Shoot, that's not bad. Not bad at all. Let's continue on. All right, you guys, I got to get my jalapenos over here. And you guys, y'all see? They still out. You see them over there? He's jumping up on a tarp. All right, you guys, I have a lot of jalapenos over here too. Let's see, got clusters over here. Wow. And nice sizes too. Some of them I'll let them stay on a little bit longer, give them a booster, some 511, and they should birth out some more for me. See them clusters? Pretty. Y'all see him running around. These are some hot peppers over here. There goes some more jalapenos. These are kind of big too, you guys. Let me show you these. And I think I got 2 different peppers growing in here. Some of the Tabascos, the bigger Tabascos, the red Tabascos. So, and they actually did really well over here. And like I said, some things are producing a little bit better now that we're dropping down to, you know, the low 80s and the 70s, high 70s. Some things are still producing and actually producing much better than in the 90 and high 80 degree weather. And they looking like they're ready to get back in their little coop. Not bad, you guys. I should make some pepper sauce. I might just do that. All right, you guys, so that is all the hot peppers and the jalapenos and the bananas and the peconis. Yeah, Not bad. All right, you guys, I got another raised bed to harvest, and that is that pak choy. All right, you guys, there's not a lot of pak choy in this raised bed area, but I am going to get what I can get, and I will be stir frying this tonight. Yum. And if you're not growing pak choy, you need to be growing pak choy, because this is a very easy vegetable to grow as well, and it is delicious and stir fried. Stir fried soups. I'm gonna leave those in there a little bit longer, and I'm just gonna get the ones that are super big. Pretty. And I will definitely come back in here and sow some more seeds, or I may put some transplants in this one as well. All right. Okay, family. And I'm going to leave that. I have pak choy growing outside of this raised bed and over in that corner. You know, sometimes you drop seeds and seeds will germinate. So, we're going to leave that be. Those inside, and this is my pak choy harvest.